Another situation where the laser device triggers an alarm. If it is not above 20 degrees Celsius or below 29 degrees Celsius, the temperature must be above 20 degrees Celsius and below 30 degrees Celsius. Only then will our laser device operate properly. Typically, we set the temperature to the default value of 26 degrees Celsius. We can adjust it to lower or higher temperatures, then click Save. In the summer, we usually set the temperature to around 26 degrees Celsius. In winter, we can lower the temperature a bit. Setting it to 24 or even 25 degrees Celsius is acceptable.